Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be doing another look using the Made by Mitchell Do You Want Some Milk palette. Yes, I've done a first impressions using this and using some other bits as well. But I thought, you know what, let's just sit down and let's play with this again because I've only played with it once and I want to play with it some more. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to see my first impressions using it, of course I'll link that video. If I can remember, I'll try and link that up in the cards or at the end of this video. But yeah, today we're going to be playing with it again and I'm excited. I don't really know what kind of look to do, but I'm feeling to do a look. That's why I'm sitting down here. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, just prime my lids, zoom you guys in, and we're going to jump straight on into it. Okay, so I'm back, literally just quickly prime my lids. So I'm going to take the first shade. I'm going to take the shade Bluebells, which is this bright blue shade here. And I'm going to pop that on like the inner portion, like just at the front, I guess. That's so pigmented. My gosh. Taking it up to about there. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit of Angus, I think. Yeah, just this shade. Just a little bit. And I'm going to pop that just next to the blue. Don't worry, we're going to come back and like build these shades up and whatnot, so. Then I'm going to go ahead and take Jessie's Girl, which is the shade next to it, this one here. Pop that there. And like on the outer portion. I do have to say these shades are so pigmented, like honestly. Even the first time that I used it, never had a problem. Not had a problem with any of them. Even these other palettes, like I literally just love all these palettes. They're all beautiful, like you can create so many looks with them. Okay, we're getting there slowly. We're getting somewhere slowly. That's what we're doing. We're getting somewhere. Yes, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna start to blend out the blue shades. I'm gonna take the shade Ocean's High, which is this very pale blue here. Ooh. Should maybe take a smaller brush, shouldn't I? Take a smaller brush and start to blend out. Okay, I'm just going to go back into that Bluebell shade, the very first one. I'm just going to try and like build this up a little bit, so then, because it's such a big like contrast between the two, so I'm just gonna like try and layer it up and like blend it out a little bit, just so then it's not too crazy. I'm going to take a tiny bit of the shade Lactose, which is this hot pink shade here, and I'm going to take that like over the like middle purple shade, and also like on the edge of the like this shade here. I don't really know what you call it. We're getting there slowly. I think adding that pink has literally just started to pull it together a little bit more. Because before I was like, I don't really know if this is gonna look good. But now I'm like, you know what, it's starting to look good. Then what I want to do is I want to take a tiny bit of Sugar Puff, just the tiniest amount, and I'm going to put this just on the outer portion. Or do I just go in with Dazey? We'll try a little bit, just a tiny bit of Sugar Puff. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit of Dazey, just like the tiniest amount, this shade here. And I'm just going to put that basically like into my brow, because that's where we're going. But like, on like the edge as well. When I've got my foundation on, I'll probably pop a little bit more on just to make it look good. To make it look a bit better, but yeah, that's kind of what we've got right now. I'm not mad. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, just build up these shades. And then I'm going to cut my crease as well, and then we'll come back and we'll pick a lid shade and do that. I'm so excited for a lid shade. In my first look, I just did like a matte, like pretty much all matte look. I think I just used one shimmer shade. So I'm excited to actually use a shimmer on my lid. I'm like so excited. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, just do all that, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I've literally just like built up these shades and like cut the crease. I just used the P. Louise X Mitchell Acid Rain blank canvas base like I usually do. I'm obsessed. You know what, this look is like starting to come together for me. Like at the beginning I was kind of like ugh. But now it's like I'm liking it. I'm liking it. For the lid shade, I don't really know what to take. That's so pretty. I'm kind of feeling like putting this like on the centre and then going in with a different shade at the front, if that can make sense. Maybe that shade. Oh, that shade looks cute. I'm thinking I might do that, you know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the, let me just kind of brush so then I know what I'm doing. Yes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the shade Inhollarant, which is this pink shade here. Like, look how stunning that is. And we're going to pop that like on the outer bit, I guess, like in the middle. This shade looks fantastic. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. I was actually inspired by Make Me Up Mrs. look that she did using this palette. I think she might have filmed it. I haven't actually watched it. I just saw like a photo on her Instagram and I was like, I like this. So if I remember, I'll try and link like her Instagram down below, or like the video down below, I guess, if I can find it. Oh my gosh, look at that, stunning. Then for the first part, I don't really know what to take. There's this silver shade here, or there is Milky, which is this one. I'm thinking the silver. I think we're going to go in with the silver. Like, it's not like a silver, it's not like a deep silver, it's more like a bright kind of silver. So that is the shade Claws, this one here. So I think we're going to take that shade, and I'll just pop that like on the beginning part, like the inner part. Oh yeah. And I kind of just like take some more of the pink as well and just kind of like merge the two together, if you will. I'm obsessed. I'm going to take some more there. Silver. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to do this eye off camera, the rest of my base, whatnot, and then I'll be back and we'll kind of just wrap this bit. Oh, actually, just do it in, you know what, I'm going to do it in a corner and brow bone highlight, because, you know, we're here. And I'm going to take the shade Milky, which is the first shade that I was like, oh, do I take this one or the silver? I'm going to take this shade here. I'm just going to pop like a tiny bit, just a tiny bit on the inner corner. And then also a little bit on the brow bone as well. Yeah, that will do, I think. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, just do this eye off camera, my base, my lashes, everything. And then I'll be back and we'll wrap this video up. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished eye look. What do you guys think? Please let me know. I'm obsessed. I did take a little bit of like the yellowy shade, like the mustard yellow shade, a little bit higher up when I'd applied my foundation. And on my lower lash line, I basically just put like the hot pink shade. And then I've also used the bright green shade, so this one here, I put that as well on the like just the inner portion of the lower lash line. I really like it. I love this eye look. I think it looks stunning. I'm obsessed. I used a lot more shades today, which I'm really happy about, because in the first video I didn't use as many, I don't think, but I'm obsessed. I love the eyeshadow. I love the shimmer shades are stunning. Like, especially that hot pink shade. I'm here for it. I really like today's eye look, guys. I'm kind of obsessed. So, yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it really helped me out. Everything else I'm wearing on my face, I'll, of course, link in the description box down below. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!